Happy Sunday, guys. Just trying to keep it fun. New viewers, my name is Tom. I have a lot of years of experience. I've been keeping reefs for 25 years now. So if you like the video, subscribe and hit the bell. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and some cheap purchases that'll help you with your Nano. Okay, guys. Water change, as far as I'm concerned, it's all part of parameters. So here it is, the 5-gallon custom. First thing I do is I disconnect the skimmer hose and I take the overflow hose off here. Look how much skimate collected in this. This is 1 week. I also disconnected the ATO, because when you do a water change, if you forget that, it's going to start running water once the water level goes down. And sometimes even when you lift your skimmer out, it draws water out with it. But let me just show you something. People who say you don't need a skimmer in a Nano, look how much that pulled out. So my point is, if it pulled this much out in 1 week and you didn't have this, that meant all this skimate and stuff is left inside there. Now you might say, okay, well, when you do your water change, you'll take it out. But for that whole week, you have much better water quality because all this stuff has come out. There's not even any place for any of this to go except back in here. I've said it before, guys, regular water change and regular maintenance keep your parameters stable. The thing I like to do with this small tank, guys, is this is a Cascade brand. It's just a little internal filter. And what I do is I'm going to drop it down in here after I clean all the sides of the algae. Once again, that stuff's just going to be floating all around. Where is it going to go? It's going to settle out and the water will look really clear, but it'll settle out on the rocks, it'll settle out on the bottom and the sand bed. So I like to try to take as much out as I can. But the first thing I'll do is clean the glass. I like to clean the glass because it looks nice when it's done. This is an extra long blade. I got this on Amazon. I think my tank is 22. This is maybe 24. This thing I'm using. This down here is budding. You can see one piece is starting to get loose. It's going to fall off. That's a Kenya tree coral I put in from the other aquarium. And now I'll just stick this down in here. So what I'll do now is run this for a few minutes. Let it try to collect as much out of there as it can. And then I will vacuum. I notice my hermits are keeping the bottom sand, what little sand is in there, they're keeping it quite clean. I made this from another vacuum. See this? I made it long so I can go all the way down to the bottom without getting my hand in there. It's a 2-part thing. It was about 15 bucks. This is what it was. I don't think I would ever use this thing for anything. Look at this with this gadget on here. I bought it just for the long tube so I can siphon old-fashioned way, have a whole suck on it, which, if you haven't gotten a mouthful yet and you're a new reefer, you will, but I've gotten pretty good at it. So as you can see, this is long enough to to go all the way down to the bottom, and it'll still be above the water line. And I'll do my water change with this and maybe vacuum a little of it. Alright guys, this is about a half hour later. You probably can't see the clarity of the water, but it's quite a bit more clear than it was before. So that's enough for me. I'll just remove this. Drain back in. So this is water left over from my 20-gallon water change. I'll drain this down, and I also have my trusty 78-2, which is exactly what this is over here. Pretty darn close, huh guys? 78.2 there. Siphon started. And now, without further ado, I'm going right in with the water. That's pretty good. Look at that. Wow, guys. Oh, that goes right next to it. Skimmer's right there. We're doing this. Already running. I just stick that back on. Turn that a little bit so it goes behind and out of the way. There you go, guys. That's it for this one, guys. Remember, subscribe, hit the bell. Like always, stay healthy. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.